know, we've talked about it on the show before. MyCare Medical is a group that specializes in helping seniors as they transition to make sure they are active and healthy seniors. And I'm not sure if you're aware, but of course, June is Men's Health Month. So we thought we'd put to test one of our favorite doctors, which of course is Dr. LeBron, who is back with us from MyCare Medical. And of course, with him is James Dubray, VP of Sales and Marketing. Gentlemen, welcome back. How are you two?
Doing well.
So let's dive right in. Wrapping up Men's Health Month. Let's talk about those regular checkups that men cannot skip out on. How important are they, and what do people need to keep in mind?
So on our male senior population, is still the most important tool that we have is the standard medical evaluation. It's really important, that evaluation that's going to be done at least once a year on everybody. Even if you don't have a medical condition, it's good to have your checkup. We're going to achieve on that evaluation about monitoring for current conditions, possible future conditions, lifestyle like diet, exercise, mental health, prevention, which is going to include some screening, and also dental and eye exam.
And of course, I know you focused on working with seniors, but while we continue to talk about men only with this, what are those tips, though, that you like to keep relaying? What do you relay to your patients when you're talking with them? Because I know your personal relationship with your patients, that's so key and important to you. What are some of those things, if you don't mind sharing today?
So the first thing is going to be that we're going to make this transition with the patient, that we're going to be comfortable with us. We're going to make sure that we can talk about all the possible conditions, all the things that have to be done to improve their health, improve their lifestyle, and make quality of life important. We want to prevent conditions. We want to be ahead and find everything appropriate time, start working on any problems in a timely manner. And that's going to be part of what we do on this evaluation. We want to make sure that this patient is going to have a physical exam, is going to have his blood pressure checked. We're going to evaluate for conditions like hypertension and pre-hypertension. Plus, we're going to do some blood work for evaluation of cholesterol, diabetes, and some images for colon cancer screening and pulmonary cancer.
Of course, you know, I want to bring James in on this because I know MyCare Medical, the importance is connecting with the senior community. And I already brought up the relationships I know that that the doctor has with his patients. James, how are you continuing to connect with the senior community at MyCare Medical?
You know, let me add one thing. You know, Dr. LeBron is just phenomenal, right? He's my personal consultant. When I have a question or an issue, I actually reach out to him. So he's a trusted advisor, even on my side of the business. So he's just wonderful. I would say that we continue to do events out in the field, in the community. We hold community events. We hold health fairs, which are very important. And our health fairs are free. So if you're thinking about something that's bothering you, you may be able to go to a health fair and get checked out for free. And then we can recommend something to protect you as we see something that may occur. But you can get it checked out for free. You can come and meet the doctor. You can ask questions. You can become a patient. What you want to do, though, make sure you check our Facebook page, because our Facebook page will list all of the events that we have going on. You'll get to see some activities from Dr. LeBron, and also you'll see that we also have food events that we have in the community. But for men in particular, you might want to visit one of our community health fair events, because it can be a life-changing event for you.
No matter what month it is, right? Well, guys, as always, I'm so glad we talked about how you are helping the community, but also these community events. And like you said, those free checkups too, to be able to help really shows how much you care. mycaremedicalgroup.com is where you can also go for more information, along with that Facebook page that James just mentioned as well. Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Take care.
Thank you.